Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove uninstalled Steam games from your library. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and on the main Steam interface, direct your attention to the top menu bar where you'll see several options. Click on Library to access your full collection of games. This will display all the games associated with your account, including both installed and uninstalled titles. Now in the left panel, you'll see your complete game list. Locate the uninstalled game you want to remove from this list, then right-click on it. This will bring up a context menu with several options for managing that specific game. Hover your mouse over the Manage option and you'll see additional choices appear. From this submenu, select Hide this game. This action will remove the game from your main library view, keeping your game list cleaner and more organized. However, if you want to go a step further and permanently remove uninstalled games from your account entirely, there's another process you'll need to follow. In the upper left corner of the Steam client, click on Help. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Steam Support. This will take you to Steam's support interface where you can manage various aspects of your account and games. Once you're in the Steam Support section, click on the game you want to permanently remove. This will open up the support page for that specific title, giving you access to various options related to it. On this page, click I want to permanently remove this game from my account. Steam will then present you with information about what this action means and confirm that you understand the consequences of permanently removing the game. Finally, to complete the permanent removal, click OK. I remove the listed games from my account permanently. Keep in mind that this action is irreversible, meaning if you want to play this game again in the future, you'll need to purchase it again. Steam takes permanent removal seriously, which is why they have this multi-step confirmation process in place. And that's it. You've successfully removed uninstalled games from your Steam library, whether by hiding them for a cleaner view or permanently removing them from your account altogether. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.